Composites, folks, are like the superheroes of the material world. They're formed when two or more different materials team up. Think of it like mixing the speed of a cheetah with the strength of a gorilla. This combo creates a material that's stronger, lighter, and tougher than traditional materials. Now, why are these composites so important? Well, they're everywhere in engineering, from Formula One cars and airplanes to wind turbines and even your toothbrush. They're revolutionizing the way we design and build things. Composites allow us to push the boundaries of what's possible, making things lighter, faster, and more efficient. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's talk muscle. One of the biggest advantages of composites is their impressive mechanical properties. They're incredibly strong and stiff, yet surprisingly lightweight. That's because the different materials in a composite work together to distribute stress and resist bending. Take carbon fiber composites, for example. These bad boys are used in everything from aerospace to sports equipment because they're incredibly strong for their weight. Imagine a material lighter than aluminum but stronger than steel. That's the magic of composites. This incredible strength-to-weight ratio means we can build lighter structures without compromising on strength. And lighter structures mean better fuel efficiency in cars and airplanes, leading to fewer emissions and a happier planet. Composites aren't just about brawn. They've got brains too. They can be designed to have specific electrical properties, making them incredibly versatile. Some composites are excellent electrical conductors, while others are fantastic insulators. For example, carbon fiber composites are highly conductive, making them ideal for use in electronics and even lightning strike protection on aircraft. On the other hand, glass fiber composites are excellent insulators, making them perfect for applications where electrical insulation is crucial. This ability to tailor electrical properties makes composites incredibly valuable in a wide range of industries, from aerospace and automotive to electronics and construction. Hold on tight, because composites can handle extreme temperatures too. They exhibit impressive thermal properties, making them suitable for applications where heat resistance or insulation is essential. Some composites can withstand scorching temperatures without breaking a sweat, making them ideal for use in engines and high-performance brakes. Others are excellent thermal insulators, perfect for applications like fire protection and insulation in buildings. This ability to withstand extreme temperatures makes composites indispensable in industries like aerospace, automotive, and energy, where things can get pretty toasty.